So the first water I'm going to demonstrate is beauty water. This is amazing. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my stainless steel appliances. So you're just going to spray. You can use paper towels or different cloth if you have it. And now I can clean my stainless steel appliances without any chemicals. I'm going to show you how we replaced Windex and how we're able to clean our window with beauty water. Now I'm going to show you how we can clean our mirrors. Again, I'm using beauty water. And now I'm going to show you how I can use beauty water to clean my counters. So beauty water, you want to use it for anything that you want to shine, want it to be beautiful. So this is a great polisher. It'll actually polish your granite or quartz, whatever you have at home. Another great thing for beauty water is it's the exact same pH as our skin. So I will spray it on my skin every day after I shower. I keep a little bottle in my purse, and this is my toner. Toners used to cost me $40, $50. I spray this on all throughout the day. I keep this in my purse and I feel refreshed. Another great thing you can do is you can use your essential oils, mix it with the beauty water, and have fresh linen spray or room deodorant. So it's an excellent tool for that. As well as when you travel a lot out in the sun, you can use this as your sunscreen and you will not burn. Another amazing use for this is you can actually spray it on your wet hair and it acts as a detangler. I have also been able to replace fabric softener. Now I have fabric softener that's toxic, chemical free. I just push my beauty water. And I will make this whole jug and keep it downstairs in my laundry room. The next water that I'm going to be covering is the 2.5 strong acidic. The amazing uses with this are that this can disinfect. It kills 99.9% of viruses and pathogens. This has all been scientifically proven on PubMed, all in a controlled lab. It's effective in killing E. coli, MRSA, flesh-eating disease, any different infectious disease. So what we replaced our medicine cabinet. If I have strep throat or a sore throat, I will take this water and I will gargle with it. I will also use this water to clean my vegetables if I suspect any E. coli. You would soak it in this, freshly made. Also, what you can do is soak your meat to disinfect from any bacteria or viruses on the meat. I have also replaced my bleach. So I will use this to clean my floors, clean my counters. I will use this as bleach in my laundry. So again, I fill up a full bottle and I'll keep it in my laundry room, or I'll have it in a bottle and I can disinfect my counters, my knives, my cutting boards. Anything that I want disinfected, I will use 2.5 pH water. This water is excellent for your pets. If your dog has any ear infections, you would spray this water, clean his ears, and it's a great way to save money instead of going to a vet and buying medication. Also, what I've been able to replace is my hand sanitizer. And I'm not sure if you're aware, but there's a lot of chemicals, cancer-causing chemicals in hand sanitizer. So I keep this in my purse and I will spray my hands with the 2.5 acidic water and I disinfect my hands that way. Another great use is you can replace your mouthwash. So what I like to do is I'll add a little bit of peppermint essential oil from Young Living and you have an excellent mouthwash. Also, another great way to use this water is to clean your children's toys. We all know that they put their toys in their mouth. You don't want chemicals and bacteria on their toys, so you can clean it using the 2.5 acidic water and it's healthy and I can spray it in my mouth. Another great use is if you get a cut, you can actually make the water 2.5, run it over your cut, and it will stop the bleeding in 30 seconds. Now I'm going to talk about the 11.5. There's so many amazing uses. So 11.5 is a degreaser. Just like you saw it emulsify oil and clean all the vegetables, all the pesticides from the vegetables, I'm also able to use this for cleaning my home. So what I do is my ovens tend to get really greasy. I can clean my oven. I'll just spray it. And normally if it's really greasy, I would let it soak a little bit. I would let it penetrate a little bit. But for the purpose of today, I'll just show you briefly how I'm able to clean this oven with the 11.5. And you can see some dirt came off here. Another great use for the 11.5 is I use it as makeup remover. So it saves me a lot of money on makeup remover, and again, it's just water. Another great use, just like it emulsifies oil, I use this as my toothpaste. So I'll put a little bit of this water in my mouth and then put the toothbrush inside, brush it with the water inside my mouth, and that's how you can clean your teeth properly. I've also been able to replace harsh chemical cleaners while cleaning my bathtub. This can actually clean your bathtub, the grease around the bathtub. So it's a great way to clean without using any chemicals. Another great use for 11.5 is it replaced my laundry detergent and saved me thousands of dollars. So what I do is I will put some of this water in the section where the laundry detergent goes, and I will add a little bit, maybe a teaspoon of my favorite scented laundry detergent, and this is what I use for my laundry now. It's amazing. I've also been able to remove pen marks from my favorite dress, which blew me away. I sprayed this on the pen mark and it took out pen, and also many stains like wine. It will remove that as well. So here's how my cleaning products look like in my laundry room. I have my beauty water, which I use as fabric softener. I will put it in the compartment where you would normally put the fabric softener. I have 11.5 and I will put about half a liter into the section where you put your laundry detergent. And I have my 2.5 acidic water, which I put in the section where you would normally put bleach.